The plan was today to get this outside area decked.
We drilled a hole through the middle.
So yesterday we got in the deck and the stair frame. So I'm going to be putting new stairs and new handrail here. So the first step is to get rid of this old set of stairs. So the plan was today to get this outside area decked. This area here decked, and then stairs coming down. I'm gonna build the deck up here now, and then we'll have it all together, and then we're gonna come down and screw it against the wall, put some temporary props in, some posts, basically do as much as you can undercover while we can. I got this in yesterday, got a double joist there to pick up. I put a new decking board in, connected the old ones to it, and that's what I'm going to connect my stairs to, something solid. Sorry guys, you missed the start of the video, but basically we drilled a hole through the middle, then leveled it out, put this peg in, leveled it this way. Now I'm going to put the level on the back and level it this way and dyno bolt it into the wall, and then put my temporary post in and my permanent post in. Okay, so I've got the back face leveled. I'm currently just packing it up off this, and I'm going to screw into the wall, put that one in, re-level it again, and then put the next one in. Still level, beautiful. That's perfect. Time to move on to the stairs. So Jack is going to be starting to deck this out, but I've got my two heights now from the top of that to the top of that, which is 1180. 1180 divided by 8 is 147.5, which is my rises. And then to get my treads, it's -1, so 7. And I'm using two 140s with a 10mm gap. So I've got my 290 here. This is my nosing line, so I've got a 50mm nosing line. As you can see, that's 290 there, and then 147 up there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw down and down, and then leave a little nosing lip. And the bottom of this section will get checked out for my 140s. And then I'll slide it down again, boom, boom, slide it down, keep going until I've got my 8 rises and 7 treads. All right, let's test this stringer out. First test, isn't it? Look at that. Beautiful. All those treads are checked out. Time to do this one. Get down on it. All right, so I got all the tops cut with a track saw so that they're really nice and straight. And then I'm just cutting on top of the line at the bottom so that I have a little bit of wiggle room to get my treads in. And then I'm doing a couple relief cuts. Also, I've got my little pencil holding the guide back so I don't have to keep pulling it up. Alright, I got them all routed out, checked out. Now I'm going through and test fitting them. Making sure that my treads fit in there nice and tight. Very nice. This one's for you, Jono and Darren. I know you guys love the Eco Seal stuff.
Yeah, get it all in there, mate.
Don't forget about the other side. Let's get the top side on top of this. And then you just sit the bottom side on the ground for the dog. Watch out! Get out of the way. It should be pretty fucking heavy now. Pretty good. Oh, it's not that bad actually. It's lucky it's not fucking hardwood or anything. Yeah, I know. You good? Yeah. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so I got all my stairs in. Sorry, I got all my treads in and I've got them batten screwed off. I'm also going to be doing some 12mm rod. This is at the bottom of the stringer. So this is just below one of the treads. Goes on that side, and then on here you can see I've done a recess. So, going to be doing a washer and then a nut on this side. Same on the other side. Tighten it so that that's stopping the treads from splitting apart. Or the stringers, sorry, from splitting apart. It's ready to go up in a sec. We got our stairs in. Just working on doing the post here for the handrail. Jack's just doing this step here. So it's going to be a step down here and then a step there, connected. Tell us about your mixing method.
Okay. Thinking one bag. Give it a quart of water.
Yep.
Just dabble it, you know.
Dabble it.
You don't want to drown it.
Drowned rat.
Yeah, you don't want to drown rat.
I love it.
You don't want to fucking pour all that water in.
So we're concreting these in here, corner one, and then over there. Got it temporary propped and all leveled. Cool, so yesterday we got in the deck and the stair frame. Jack's just been doing the decking boards on the stairs now. I've got my post up yesterday. So while he's working on the stair rises and stuff, I'm going to be working on doing the handrail. So how I do my handrail is I mark up parallel from my stringer. So I've gone 30 mil up, so I've got a gap of my bottom rail up to, I think I did 900 at the top of the rail, and then I did the same up here, so that I've got a parallel line with my stringer. And then to get my cut, literally all I can do is go like that with a pencil mark, and the same up here, and I'll take that off, cut that. I've already worked out my balustrade spacing here, and basically I just did the same thing on the bottom rail, so I'll show you how it fits. So before I just put it in and then marked it, but as you can see it fits already. And then once this one's cut, I'll make all the pickets, cut them all to size, the same size, and then fix them off, and then I can just put the rail in place. So I'm just putting fix out nails in it now to put it together, and then I'm going to fix with stainless steel screws so that it holds, and I'm going to test fit it, and then I'll put all the pickets in there after. Ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding. I'm getting dicked out in Dallas, butt fucked in Austin. So that's the test fit. Are you fine holding that, Jack?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll see you later.
See you, bro.
Bugger doesn't go the whole way through.
Yeah, bummer, eh?
Alrighty, we're done with the building. Now we just got to pack everything up. I got my car parked just over there.
Take down a couple ribs.
Throw some duvets down. You got to get all the tools out of here, so I'm just going to set you guys up in the corner with a little time lapse of everything.